Hello everyone, this is part 2 of my EDC knife. I did post a one video yesterday and here's the second part of that knife. In this video I'm going to do some sharpness test and shit, I actually cut the leather while I was actually getting my knife into the sheet, so that just definitely gives you an idea this is gonna be a pretty mean knife. So I always love to do sharpness test first with the paper cutting, and you can see how smoothly the blade is cutting. That definitely is a big sign if the blade is sharp or not. There are a few other ways you can try. Another way you can try is obviously a nail scratch. I'm going to do in a bit. Let's see how it works. I think it's gonna be, yeah, exactly, you can see how easily I'm able to scratch the nail. And then another way is shaving a hair. I always do with my head, my arm, forearm. That's why I don't have my hairs on my forearm anymore. So that was kind of a stupid idea, but I still wanted to do it because blade is short, but still can see it has done a pretty good damage on the bottle, and still hold the edge. And I wanted to do some more job on that so kind of like a butcher. So I'm happy with the knife so far. If anybody is interested, DM me and visit my website. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.